Good morning class, this is your science class and we are discussing our chapter 3 which is digestive and excretory system. We are already learned about our first topic which is digestive system. Today we are going to learn about our next topic which is need for chewing food well. What is the need to chew out our food materials in a very proper manner? Let's start our topic. All of you just open your books and read it. We must eat our food slowly and chew it well. Must we eat our food materials very slowly so that it becomes just broken down into smaller particles and our digestion process is gonna be happen in a very proper manner. Chewing breaks down the food into smaller particles. Digestion of carbohydrates starts in the mouth. So what is the name of that nutrient which is digested in our mouth? That is carbohydrate. Where smaller particle of food mix with saliva. So in our mouth, our food materials just mix up with saliva. Saliva contains enzymes. They have enzymes that help in digestion. So salivary amylase is just present there and it is just very helpful for the digestion of food in our mouth. Mixing of food with saliva in the mouth also liquefies it partially and not fully liquid in a liquid form. It's just semi-solid type food material there, so that it becomes easier to digest it. So our saliva mix with food materials and it is just liquefies our food materials so that our digestion process is gonna be done by a very easy process. Okay. If we do not chew our food properly, large food particles will reach our stomach and take a longer time in digestion. Because of this, when we are not chew out our food materials in a very proper way, so that our food materials is not broken down in smaller particles and having a big particles, and when it reach in our stomach, it takes time for our digestion. So all of you chew out our food materials in a very proper manner. Hence, digestion may not occur properly and nutrients from the food may not be released completely for absorption into the body. Okay, so as we know, in our digestion process, the main thing is extraction of nutrients from our food materials and it is absorbed by our blood. So if we are not chew out our food materials in a very proper manner, so our food materials is not going to be broken down in a smaller particles and our digestion process is not going to be happen in a very proper way and absorption process is not going well. So all of you chew your food materials in a very proper manner. Chewing food well and a healthy digestive system help in the formation of proper feces also. So proper digestion is required mainly for the two things. The first thing is absorption of nutrients and the second thing is proper come out from the feces. So that this leads to a regular bowel movement by which our body gets rid of toxins and waste materials that are inside. Okay, sometimes we are just suffering from a constipation. Because of this, our digestion process is not going to be well in our body, so that we have to be suffered in a constipation. So proper chewing of food is a very important thing. Regular bowel movement prevents digestive disorders and helps us stay healthy. So if you want to become a healthy person, so your digestion process is must be happen in a very proper manner, so that your absorption process is going to be in a very proper manner, as well as your bowel movement is also going to be in a proper manner in a regular basis. Okay, the next topic is need for water. Water is a very important thing in for our body, and in digestion process is very helpful for us. Drinking water is vital for life, very essential. We should drink nearly 8 glasses of water every day. 8 glasses of water. So all of you also just drink plenty of water in a day, so that you have proper fluid in your body, as well as your digestion process is going to be very well. It is especially important for our digestive system. If we do not drink enough water, absorption of food and nutrients in the intestine will not be proper, and the digested food materials will dry up in the intestine. So if our digestive materials is dry up in our intestine, so how further process is going to be happened? As a result, there will be irregular bowel movement, which will lead to constipation and discomfort. Obviously, if you are a dryness in your body, so you have to be suffer from constipation and feel very uncomfortable. We should eat lots of fruits and vegetables. They are rich in fibers. In our chapter first, we are just learn about our fibers, which is necessary for proper bowel movement. In our first chapter, we read it now. Fibers are very important for our body, for the regular bowel movement, for the passing out our waste material from our body. So for today, it is gonna be happened, and in our further videos, we are discussing on the next topic, which is excretory system.